Okay, everybody, Chris Gallo, Flip and Hold Funding Realty Solutions. We're circling back on this segment, who is Flip and Hold? And we're talking about what we do. We talked about the first segment in some detail, which is our lending company. We now want to talk about our cash home buying entity and traditional brokerage. Okay, so if you need to sell a property fast, any condition, no contingencies, no inspections, we can step in. We can offer you a fair cash offer for your home. Typically on those, we're going to take the project on ourselves and actually do the project. But sometimes we will wholesale that project out, which means you want to sell your home fast for any reason. Death, divorce, disease. Those are the 3 Ds that typically come to mind. You don't want to go the traditional route. Maybe you have to move fast. Maybe there's an emotional aspect that you just don't want to deal with it. Maybe your health is not, what it needs to be. You're dealing with health issues. You're out of state. We have that all the time happen as well. And you just want to move the property. We are going to come in and offer you a price that's going to allow us to make a cash as is offer, no contingencies. We'll close in, 2 weeks or less. And no additional fees. You're not paying brokers or any of that stuff. But we do have to buy it at such a price that we can then make the necessary repairs to it and then sell it for a profit, right? So we do a lot of those. And I think we're very good at it. We're honest. We try to give the seller as much money as we can, but yet leave enough money for us to then make a profit. The other side of that is if you want to sell your house, but you don't need to sell it fast and you want top dollar, you want to go the more retail route, then we recommend using us for traditional lending. I'm a broker in Mass and Rhode Island, and my wife is a salesperson in Mass and Rhode Island, and we would gladly list your property for you. And oftentimes we list it at a lesser fee than a lot of the other brokerages out there because that's all that they do. They have to make all their money on the brokerage side of the business, the traditional lending side of the business. This is only one small segment of our offering. So we can typically offer full service brokerage at a very discounted price. So that's another reason why we think that we do a really good job in either the cash home buying or the traditional brokerage space. So if you have any interest, you want to talk more about those, please reach out to us. We're on social media. flipandholdfunding.com is our website. We're on Instagram, Facebook. I'm personally on LinkedIn. Reach out to us. We'd love to chat with you.